Welcome to Alxmo Tech. Today we are going to learn how to download working Google apps. Open Huawei App Gallery. Search Quick App Center. Install it. I have already installed. I have already used some apps. Click the three dots and click Add to Desktop. I will add all the apps to desktop. If you want any other app of Google, search in Quick App Center app. Open it and you can add it to desktop. Here you see all the apps in the desktop. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and like this video.